Today it is a very special and popular recipe from Kerala which is made with a very popular god. This is an integral part of the Onam Sadhya. Any guesses what it is? Stay tuned. Not only are the various parts of this plant edible, but the god itself can be churned into multiple recipes. So stay tuned till the Mull Point to discover the details. Namaskarams, I am Sujata, an educator in biology and environmental science, a health and wellness consultant and your host on Munch and Mull. Do click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Pumpkin is native to North America and gets very popular during Thanksgiving and Halloween. It belongs to the Cucurbitaceae family, which also includes cucumbers and watermelons. And by the way, it's very interesting to know how the word pumpkin originated. Pumpkin was known as pepon in the Greek language, meaning large melon. And today, the Americans have converted it into pumpkin. Pumpkin is known to have a rich source of beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant. Beta-carotene is converted to vitamin A, which is very good for eye health. Pumpkins are also rich sources of vitamin C and E, which help build immunity. They are low in calories and high in fiber and are therefore good for treating constipation, promotes heart health and a good food for diabetics too. Pumpkin reportedly also has anti-cancer and anti-aging properties. So what are we going to be making with pumpkin today? We are going to be making a Kerala special recipe called Matthan Erisseri. Pumpkin is called as matthan in Malayalam, and Erisseri is an extremely tasty recipe and it is a very integral part of the Onam Sadhya. So let's look at how to make Erisseri. By the way, Erisseri is also made with raw banana and yam or even drumsticks. Generally, vegetables are not mixed, they are made individually. Let's cut the pumpkin first. What a color! I'm going to be using this middle flesh portion, and this fibrous portion I'll be using it to make a chutney. If the seeds are tender, they could go as part of the chutney. Now this is a mature pumpkin, so this peel is slightly thick. If it is tender, that could also be used. So let's look at the ingredients required to make our pumpkin or matthan Erisseri. I have taken 3/4 kg of chopped pumpkin pieces, 2 cups of fresh grated coconut, 1 green chilli, curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of jeera, 1 cup of tur dal which we will pressure cook it separately, salt, haldi powder, 1 tablespoon of jaggery, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Erisseri can be made in 2 versions. You can make it without the dal also. It is a choice. 3/4 of this coconut, 1 green chilli and part of the curry leaves and jeera, we will be grinding it to a paste. And the remaining coconut, curry leaves and mustard, we will be using it for seasoning. So the first is to light the flame. Let's cook the matthan pieces. So let me add water. So you add water such that it need not be completely immersed, enough for it to cook. Add the turmeric powder, jaggery powder. Give it a mix. Let's keep this closed. So here, as the pumpkin is getting cooked, I will also pressure cook the dal and simultaneously we will grind the coconut. So let's grind the fresh coconut, and this coconut I have kept it for seasoning at the last. So I've added the coconut, jeera, green chilli, curry leaves, some water, and we'll grind this. So here, this is ground. And see that it doesn't become a fine paste, it needs to be coarse. So here the pumpkin is nicely cooked, it doesn't take much time to cook. So lower the flame and nicely mash it. It gets easily mashed. Some pieces can remain. Yeah. Now let's add the salt. It's better to add salt after the vegetable is cooked. Now I am adding the cooked tur dal. Give it a mix. And now the coarsely ground coconut jeera curry leaves mixture and green chili. Give it a good mix. So this is the consistency. After mixing the dal and the coconut paste, give it a single boil. So now this is started to boil. I'm switching off the gas. And so once the kadai is heated, I'm adding the coconut oil. Coconut oil gives a wonderful aroma to the matthan Erisseri. Once the oil is heated, let's add the mustard, the curry leaves, and now add the remaining fresh grated coconut. This is a very important step for Erisseri. We have to roast this till the coconut turns light brown in color. The aroma of the coconut getting roasted is fabulous. See, the coconut has got a light brown color. See that you don't burn the coconut. So let's switch off the gas. So here goes the final step of the matthan Erisseri. We will add the roasted coconut. My kitchen is filled with the aroma of the roasted coconut. So here our delicious pumpkin or matthan Erisseri is ready to be relished. It goes very well as a side dish, or you can mix it with hot rice. Also goes very well with chapatis. Make it and relish it. Did you know that pumpkin comes in multiple shapes and sizes? And of course, all of us know that this vegetable is edible. But it's very interesting to know that most of the pumpkin plant parts are edible. Very interesting to know that most of the pumpkin plant parts are edible. For example, tender leaves, flowers, seeds are all edible. And if it is a tender pumpkin, then the peel is also edible. And interestingly, the seeds are enveloped with the fibrous part of the pumpkin. And this fibrous part, which is at the core of the pumpkin, can be used to make a very interesting chutney. And this recipe, I will be uploading it soon. The pumpkin itself offers so many possibilities like pumpkin puri, pumpkin paratha, pumpkin kheer, pumpkin halwa, dry pumpkin vegetable, gravy pumpkin vegetable, North Indian style, South Indian style, pumpkin cake, pumpkin soup, which I have already uploaded before, and not to miss pumpkin dosa and pumpkin adai, which I will soon be uploading. Can you add more to the list? I would love to hear of the recipes that I have missed out. Do share them in the comment section below. Hey, have you subscribed to Munch and Mull? Do click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive notifications of my newest videos uploaded every Saturday.